guys, it's been a minute since we did something like this, but we're currently making our way out to the local Touge's in the RX-8 right now. We're meeting up with Jason tonight, and man, honestly, I think it's literally been more than 4 months since I did like a night Touge run with Jason. We have gotten together and, you know, driven around a couple of times and on the highway and stuff like that, right? But he hasn't been out in the S2000 since literally, I don't remember when, probably like November last year or something crazy like that. So I'm really excited. We're currently on our way out to the middle of nowhere. So man, I'm just looking forward to this. And you know, the weather today is kind of nice. Is that a cop? I don't think that's a cop. Okay, I think we're good there. But the weather today is kind of nice, so I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, we're just gonna slowly make our way there. I definitely need a Red Bull right now, so I'll see you guys at the gas station. Holy shit, you're zooming, dude. Oh my god. I just got a ride along in the Audi here. It was like, what is it, A5 I think, or A4. I think it's quick. I mean, partially I'm pretty sure it's all driver right here, because you know, it's like the punta of the road. But yeah, so my first, I think that might actually be my first time in Audi. I don't know, but that was a lot of fun, not gonna lie. Now I gotta warm up my car though, because it's been sitting here for a little bit. Honestly, this might even be a cold start. Like, look at how much the temperature has dropped. And oh, what is that? What the hell? The temperature dropped by like a pretty good amount, and I just let it sit here for like maybe 20 minutes. I don't know. So we're just gonna be doing a little chill run chasing Jason right now. I am having a little bit of oh shit. I am having a little bit of sorry, words are slipping my mind literally. Hold up. Trying a new camera angle here. Hopefully it looks okay. But I am having a little bit of a misfire issue right now. We did a little test run just to, you know, check out the road and stuff. And I noticed that when I'm approaching red line in about second to third gear, I would misfire and oh shit. There's a lot of potholes in the road, so we're just trying to avoid that. But around second to third, at around red line, I would misfire. The engine would be like, it would just be cutting power towards red line, and it would just kind of go bah, 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 bah. I'm not really sure exactly what's going on. My theory right now is probably the ignition coils. They're BHRs, so they're not OEM ignition coils. It could be something faulty with them. I don't know 100% yet, but when I'm driving regular like this right now, you know, it's fine, no issues whatsoever. It's really just at the top it would misfire, and then I get that flashing check engine light. This isn't the first time I dealt with something like this, but you know, it is something that I'm keeping in mind today, and I'll pay more close attention to it. But my running theory right now is that my ignition coils are probably not running as well as they should, so probably something I gotta address in the near future. Undertray fell off. Ooh, that's not good. I think that's my Undertray, y'all. I don't think that was the engine. That's not the engine, that's for sure. But I think my Undertray might have just fell off. That's not good. Gotta. Let me see if I'm right about this. Yeah, it is slapping. Yeah, you hear that? That's the sound that it was making. I thought my oil pan came off or some shit. I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, I am pretty sure I lost a bolt here somewhere. But when I pick up speed, this thing hits the floor, yeah, and it makes like a loud banging sound.
What the fuck was this?
Yes, it's not being held up here. I think I need to find a way to hold this up so I can at least get home, because I can't go above like 40 right now. This is gonna be the thumbnail right here. Thanks, Arda. Appreciate this.
I'm glad it wasn't me too.
What? Alright, so we just zip tied the Undertray back up to the car, and I think we're good now. We're going above, like, you know, 60, and there's no more rattling sound. So at the end of the day, it was just the Undertray. It could have gone a lot worse. When I first started hearing the bang, I honestly thought it was like an engine failure or something like that. I thought maybe my oil pan was like dragging on the floor. I don't know, but I'm glad it wasn't the case, knock on wood. Hopefully that's never gonna be the case, but yeah, we're fine now. So we're just enjoying a nice little cruise here. And yeah, unfortunately, Touge a little bit ruined, but you know, there's always next time, and I'm sure we'll have a lot more fun. But I'm glad the car is okay right now, because honestly, had a little heart attack there. Arda's out front in like his Audi A4, and he's just like completely gunning it and disappearing. But it really goes to show, it's really about the driver's mod. Like, your car doesn't really matter all that much, because how Arda in the Touges, man, he's so quick even in that Audi, and you know, it's like a completely stock car. Doesn't matter where you go, as long as you drive a rotary, you always end up back here at the gas station. It's just part of ownership. Getting my good old 14 miles per gallon. It's terrible. I need a daily, guys. Well, I guess I don't, not anymore, but so having something with better MPG would definitely be nice. I really want an ND Miata. I want an FD so badly, but like NDs are so nice. I don't know. All things considered though, $25 for half a gallon, I mean not half, but $25 for like half the tank, it's a lot better than what I pay for in Queens, so you know, I can't complain. Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it to the very end of the video, really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch the content all the way through to the very end. Really mean that every single time I say it, so thank you guys so much for that. Gonna make this one a little bit of a shorter intro today because I'm actually getting ready to go to work right now, and I'm probably gonna be running a little bit late, but you know, that's kind of a theme on this channel. But anyways, if you guys didn't watch the last video, I started a new job. I'm officially a corporate boy now in marketing, so you know, I've been doing that for just about a little bit over a month. Oh no, it's just coming up on a month now. And actually the rest of this video that you guys watched before this was recorded like over a month ago. I just haven't had time to actually record this outro and edit everything because I've literally been that busy. I'm still finishing up my night school commitment, still had a little bit of freelance commitment to do as well, but you know, things are starting to clear up as I mentioned in the last video. So closer towards summer, I'm hoping to get back into a more regular, consistent upload schedule. Probably not the 2 videos a week anymore, but I'll go more into depth about that when the time comes. And if you guys are wondering if I fixed the Undertray yet, no, it's still on zip ties, but that's for a pretty good reason. That's because I'm actually planning to change out the bumper eventually, hopefully sometime this year. So more on that to come, but stuff is gonna be happening to the car. I think the next thing I want to do right now is actually replace the radiator. I don't know if you guys remember, because the gaps between the videos has been so big. In the winter, this past year, I actually bought a new CSR. Is it CSR or CSF? CSF radiator for the RX-8, right? So I'm actually gonna try to be putting that in pretty soon. So yeah, there's stuff coming, and there's actually something happening this weekend I don't want to give too much details on yet, but anyways, there's stuff coming is all I'm trying to say. But anyways, I'm in a little bit rush of time, so I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys have been doing good. More videos to come for sure, and yeah, miss you guys, and until the next one, guys, remember to stay safe out there, because the world's a crazy place, so you gotta do your part to stay safe. All right, peace.